So let's first dive into the GraphGrid Python SDK. So as I mentioned before, it's a software development kit, and that means you can programmatically interact with our Java services using it. Right now, the primary purpose of the SDK is to provide architecture to actually train the NLP models. And so the way that happens is you can use the SDK to do things like saving your own data set to CDP's internal file storage, and that's all streamed. And you can also use it to kick off and monitor your training jobs themselves. You can get the information on active NLP models, and you can also swap out like hot load models in real time. And then finally, it provides an end-to-end training and monitoring pipeline all the way through. So all the way from like prepping your data, saving it, to training your model, saving that model out, to promoting that model. And what this gets us is a lower barrier of entry for actually training these NLP models. And that allows people to train new models that work for them better without having to necessarily fully develop everything themselves. And so the GraphGrid SDK is written to work with a running GraphGrid deployment, whether that be local or remote. You can find out more on our docs page. And we have a PyP repo for the GraphGrid SDK, or you can just do a simple pip install.